How to get dark mode on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually get dark mode on Roblox, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually get dark mode on Roblox on the application, it's actually not very simple, because if you're using on web browser, then that's totally fine. You can switch to dark mode from your desktop app or your laptop, but from your mobile app, if you go to Roblox and then even if you go to the settings from the three dots over here and then just go to settings, no matter wherever you go, you will not be able to find the option to switch to dark mode, even inside account info, personal info, or wherever else. That is because Roblox application on the app doesn't actually support dark mode. Now there is still one thing that we can do, and that is to force dark mode on our phone. So for that, open up settings, look for the option called about phone on your Android phone. Then you have to go to the software information of your Android. Now you have to enable developer options. To enable developer options, look for the build number option here. Multiple times tap on it in order to enable developer options. So enter your phone's passcode to confirm, then tap on continue. Then once you've done that, you can just come back, and then this time you'll find a new option right over here called developer options. So you want to go to developer options. You can see it's turned on from the very top of the screen here. Now you simply need to look for the option or the section that says force dark mode. So you can also just go and do that, and then here you can see force dark mode option. Just turn it on. This will actually force apps to go into dark mode whenever you turn on dark mode on your phone, even if they are actually not supported. And this is not the official way, this is only a third-party way that our Android manufacturers make inside of the applications to switch them to dark mode. This is simply how you can actually switch apps to dark mode or even Roblox to dark mode. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.